Hi children, welcome to my channel. First tell me, how many of you like the subject English? Do you find it hard? Do you find it boring? Are you confused in the grammar part? With nouns, adjectives, adverbs, gerund, degrees of comparison, interchange of active passive voice, direct indirect speech? Oh my god. You feel tensed, right? No problem. Okay, and that reminds me, tenses also are there, right? I am here to remove all your tension and confusion. English is very interesting and grammar part is very interesting with just few basic rules which you need to remember. That's it. Okay? Let's have some fun with grammar. First part is going to be learning seriously. And the second part is going to be learning with fun. On this serious note, come on, let's start. In this video, first I am going to teach you how the form of a sentence can be changed without changing the meaning. The conversion or transformation of sentences is an excellent exercise as it teaches variety of expressions in writing English. Now let's start with some sentences containing the verb to, T-O-O. Now first sentence. These mangoes are too cheap to be good. Now conversion. These mangoes are so cheap that they cannot be good. Now second. He was too late to hear the first speech. Now conversion. He was so late that he could not hear the first speech. Now third. This tree is too high for me to climb. Conversion. This tree is so high for me that I cannot climb. Now fourth. He drove too fast for the police to catch. Conversion is, he drove so fast that the police could not catch him. Now see, I read out 4 sentences and just go through the highlighted words. You will find in 2 sentences I have used cannot, and in 2 sentences I have used could not. Can we not interchange? No, my dear children. That is not correct English. Now, why I have used cannot in 2 sentences and could not in 2 sentences? See, when you get this type of question in your grammar part, what you need to do is just slowly go through the sentence and see in which tense it is formed. Accordingly, even in the conversion, you have to use the same tense. For example, see, these mangoes are too cheap to be good. Are, which is present tense. And see the conversion, cannot. Again, it is in present tense. Now take another sentence. Drove, past tense. See the conversion, could not. Past tense. Got it? Very simple. As simple as that. Now, I will give you some sentences for practice. Okay? Sentence 1 is, it is never too late to mend. Sentence 2, the bag was too heavy for me to carry. 3, he speaks too fast to be understood. Now 4, he is too proud to beg. Happy practicing, children. And one more small homework I want to give you. No, don't worry. It is not a very big, heavy homework. What you need to do is just share this video with your friends and let them also have fun. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay? Next video is going to be more simple and fun and also interesting and very easy to follow. Wait and watch for my next posting. Bye for now, children. Take care.